the moment in Sanur Harbour to go to Nusa Penida. So we will see together how busy this area today. Just keep staying in touch till the end of this video. Okay, now I'm in Sanur Beach. It's the sunrise beach in the east part of Bali. So we can see together how busy this area today. There's a lot of people. They want to cross to the Nusa Penida. You see? It looks so busy around here, isn't it? There's a lot of people. They want to go to Nusa Penida. If you want to go to Nusa Penida, they have like boat start from 7:30 until 9 o'clock. But I advise you, if you want to go to Nusa Penida, just took early in the morning for the boat for the all-day trip in Nusa Penida. Because if you want, if you do in the morning, you can do like a lot the place to visit in Nusa Penida. So you can visit east part and west part of Nusa Penida. East part Nusa Penida is Diamond Beach, and then you go to Kelingking Beach in the west part, and then also you can go to Broken Beach and Angel Bilabong. You see the mountain there at the front? Yeah, that is the highest mountain we call Agung Mountain. Okay, so this is the highest mountain in Bali. Okay guys, so we'll see together how busy this harbor today. It's so busy around here. Sohib, kasoon Sohib. Ada isang kasing edit lah. Sebentar update ako ya. Okay, now we see together how busy this area today, and there's a lot of people who want to go to Nusa Penida. Okay, you can see. It's looks busy, isn't it? And this is like a counter to buy the ticket to go to Nusa Penida. Yeah, this is the counter point. It just looks so busy, isn't it? And I will show you how the people they buy the ticket, and then there is mostly people they buy just a return ticket. They get early in the morning and then back in the afternoon. It's quite busy, isn't it? When you see on the video that some people use the mask and some people don't use the mask. They follow the rule, but some they don't follow the rule. It's crazy, isn't it? Oh my god. Okay, also this is a tourist. They want to go to Nusa Penida. Hello. Yeah, this is really busy. And this everyone, they want to go to Nusa Penida. And now, Bali time is 7:30. Yeah, right. It's quite busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people today. Oh my god. So this is the station at the moment in to go to Nusa Penida, like early in the morning before. Okay. Oh, sorry, the connection was so bad. And now I connected to the internet again. Yeah. This looks so busy, isn't it?
Sekali lagi bagi para penumpang yang sudah memiliki tiket tujuan Nusa Penida, tiket bertuliskan next turn atau berkalungkan next turn warna pink, silakan naik ke booth next turn bus. Bus berada di depan tempat penjualan tiket. Terima kasih.
Okay, so this is the information for departure the boat. The company, because in this area they have a lot of different company to buy the ticket.
pembagian kepada seluruh penumpang Maluku Express tujuan menuju Nusa Penida. Silakan naik di bus melalui Indonesia. Sekali lagi kepada seluruh penumpang Maluku Express tujuan menuju Nusa Penida. Silakan naik di bus melalui Indonesia. Terima kasih.
Yeah, this is another attention for the passenger. They call the because the boat will be departure soonly. Okay, there is some boat waiting there. Okay, I will make video and I want to tell you how to go to Nusa Penida if you just do like 1 day trip. So I will explain where you can go in 1 day in Nusa Penida. Because in Nusa Penida they have like 2 different types to make a tours. One is in the east part tours and then one in the west part tours. So you can combine in 1 day, but I will let you know where the best place to visit in Nusa Penida. You see, there is a lot of people. They go to the boat because the boat will be departure very soonly. Again, so sorry because I can't finish this live streaming today. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next